बिफोर वी स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो, पहले तो तुम ये बैकग्राउंड देखो। ये मेरी छोटी बहन ने नया बनाया सारा। सारी पेंटिंग्स उसने डिज़ाइन किया एंड आई गॉट दिस न्यू प्लांट। ये सेटअप तुम्हें आगे आने वाली वीडियोस में बहुत दिखने वाला है। तो हम पहले तो कमेंट में बताओ लग कैसा रहेगा। इसमें अगर तुम्हारे पास सजेशन है कि कुछ और ऐड ऑन कर सकते हैं तो भी मुझे बता दो। What's up guys, this is Hina Raheja, welcome back to my channel and this time it is a very unusual video that you will see on my channel because again travel हो नहीं रहा है and हो गया डेली व्लॉग्स भी अभी दुखी हो चुके हैं लॉकडाउन में घर पे बैठे बैठे। सो आई थॉट कि व्हाई नॉट दिस टाइम मेक अ वेरी यूजफुल वीडियो बिकॉज दिस इज वन थिंग दैट आई यूज्ड टू गेट अ लॉट इन माय डीएम्स। टॉपिक अभी तक तुमने नीचे पढ़ लिया होगा एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट हाउ यू कैन एक्चुअली ग्रो ऑन इंस्टाग्राम ऑर्गेनिकली, whether you're starting from the scratch or you're already there and have built some audience already. But I am going to share certain tips and tricks that will definitely help you a lot. Let's quickly jump to the video. I started Instagramming way back in mid 2017. As far as I remember, it was on Ladakh trip. And since then, I have seen a lot of algorithm changes which have directly and indirectly affected the Instagram profiles a lot. I mean, there used to be a time when followers used to grow like crazy, and now you will see you are not even getting likes. If you're talking about 2020, it's now completely engagement driven and honesty. वो जो हम लाइफ में फंडे यूज करते हैं ना, ऑनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी, दैट एग्जैक्टली implies here on Instagram. How that you will know definitely by the end of the video. So not wasting any time, let's quickly jump to the first thing that you have to follow if you want to grow on Instagram, which is optimize your Instagram bio. First impression is the last one. This implies in real life and on Instagram as well. Your bio has certain things that you should be taking care of. First one is your profile picture. Make sure you have a very decent high quality headshot with some colorful background so that your face is visible to the audience, and put it as your profile picture. Second thing, with your name you should mention one keyword which totally describes you. Example, you are a travel blogger, a photographer, a fashion blogger, a food blogger or whatever, so that if anyone searches that keyword, your profile should come on the top. Third thing is, just below your name you get some space to write about yourself. Mention all the important points that describes you. For example, if you are an entrepreneur, or if you are into taking workshops, or if you run some small business, whatever you are, you should just mention all of that so that whenever someone comes to your profile for the very first time, he or she should get the complete idea about you. The fourth and very important thing is that you should definitely add some external link to your profile. It can be anything. A link to your YouTube channel, a link to your blog, a link to your website where you are selling something, a link to your Twitter, or wherever you want to take people to from Instagram. Second point is, you should choose one niche and you should be very strict in terms of following that particular niche when it comes to posting content. It can be travel, photography, fashion or food. Also, you might see certain big influencers on Instagram who are just posting anything like that. But trust me on one thing, when they started, they were very much strict to their niche. And that's how they build up their audience, and now the audience is very much loyal to their profile. They like their content and now they are just posting anything. It is a long process, but to start with, niche is very important. Also, if you are seeking more followers, then definitely followers will come to your profile if they find something according to their taste. For example, I am a traveler and I certainly like certain profiles who are posting travel content because that is totally up to my taste. It is very important if you are seeking any sort of collaborations, because you will definitely get certain clients which matches to your profile and the content you are posting out. Third point, which is very important, is that you should plan your content in advance. You should just not be wondering that, I have to post something at 6 p.m. What should I do now? And you just randomly post anything. No, please don't do that. You can use certain apps like Later, Planloy, Anam and Preview. Plan at least 12 pictures in advance, because 12 pictures makes one grid. And whenever someone is coming to your profile for the very first time, he or she will have the complete preview of your profile and it should be very appealing. Next point is, remember 50-50 rule. It means 50% of the picture and 50% of the caption. Your caption is as important as your picture is, and I see a lot of people spend a lot of time in just editing the photos and everything, but please spend equal time in writing the caption. That will pay you even more in the longer run, because there are people who relate themselves to the caption part. Your picture should describe what exactly it is about. If you're eating some food, then tell people about like what ingredients are there, where are you eating that particular food, what is the cost of that, and whether you recommend it or not, or whatever. And similarly for travel posts, I have seen a lot of people just writing in bottom of the beach picture, beach please, beach bum, beach baby. Please don't do that. Social media is altogether a different world, and it allows people to connect with you virtually with your lives and everything. And you will see that it has a lot of impact on the psychology of the person, like whosoever is following you. If you start writing your emotions in the form of caption, people start relating to you, and that has even more impact on your profile. Fifth and a very important point is make use of hashtags. Yes. So just in case you don't know, you can use a total of 30 hashtags in one post and use all 30. If you are posting some fitness related pictures, so you should definitely use hashtags relevant to that. Make few sets of hashtags related to your pictures that you post, be it food picture or a travel picture, and save it in your notes or wherever, and keep on using that. Do not use one hashtag set in every picture, because that's how Instagram will actually consider it as a spam, and it will ban the profile from reaching to the maximum potential. Using very specific hashtag is very important. For example, if I'm staying at a particular property in Goa, I should use that property hashtag also. Because if someone in the future would like to search about that property, so he or she just have to write that name and my picture will pop up. If any one of you is a commerce student, you must have heard of statement like content is the king. And actually, this is something which is so prevalent on internet now. But in Instagram, content is the king and engagement is the queen, and queen runs the house. Okay. अच्छे से इसको समझो. इंस्टाग्राम पे अगर ग्रो करना है, आपको एंगेजमेंट करनी है बहुत अलग लेवल पे. एंड बाय एंगेजमेंट आई डू नॉट मीन यूज बोट्स और एनी अदर मेथड विच इज टोटली नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय इंस्टाग्राम. इट शुड बी ऑल मैनुअल एंड ऑनेस्ट, जो मैंने वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में बताया था. नाउ एंगेजमेंट के अंदर आ रहा है आपका लाइक, कॉमेंट एंड शेयर. We usually follow the people whom we are interested in. And if you notice, whenever you follow someone, in the recommendation section it shows you another profiles which are totally related to that particular niche. And one thing, whenever you engage with someone, Instagram automatically understands that yes, this is the kind of audience you are interested in, and it will automatically start pushing your profile and shows it in the explore section. Same goes with the DM. Do not use bots. It is totally illegal method. Yes, it might give you a return in the short term, but what if your account gets compromised? What will you do? All the minute will go to waste. And one more very interesting fact, that whenever you plan to post a picture, before 30 minutes and after 30 minutes, do as much engagement as possible. Reply on the stories, reply on the DMs, like pictures, comment on pictures, because that time Instagram will multiply your reach and you will get the maximum likes also. Try it out. Next point, make the best use of Instagram stories. Instagram stories is the only thing left on Instagram which is not algorithm driven, but it is in the chronological order. I heard this a lot that, Hina, whenever we open the Instagram, your story is the first story. I post every 2 hours and it comes on the top section. Ideally, you should post 5 to 6 stories in a day. And I always suggest that you should definitely be showing your face. If not videos, you can actually post a selfie and write something that you want to tell people about. The key is, whenever you post any story, try to make the best use of all the features available. For example, location, hashtag, question, poll, slider, and quiz. Stories actually increases the chances of engagement on your profile, because if you post something, then people are likely to reply on that and you are likely to reply back, and that's how Instagram will recognize it as a very genuine profile where people like to interact. Also, do you know that the story reaches approximately 3 to 4 times than the post? So definitely you should make the best use of it. Also, whenever you post something new on the timeline, open the post, down there you will see an arrow, click on that directly, it will take you to the story and tell people that you have posted a new post on the timeline, because again, more the reach, more the engagement, people will get to know that yes, you have done something new, and they will directly tap on that, come to your profile, like the picture, comment. Okay, little off the topic discussion. Instagram stories is my favorite thing. It's like this is something from where I actually started documenting my life. It has given me a lot. I mean, I actually got invited to TED because of my Instagram stories. Can you believe that? I got hell lot of collaborations and business opportunities just because of my stories. Because people liked my content. I literally used to get this compliment a lot that, Hina, we know you. Because you post everything out there and you tell your life to the people out there and we connect with you so much. That's the whole idea, isn't it? I guess I should do a separate video on Instagram stories because there is a lot to tell about it and I can't really tell you everything here. So let me know if you would like to see a different video. Please comment below and let me know. Coming to the next point. Consistency is the key to grow on Instagram and actually in life also. I mean, अगर हम कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, if we keep on doing it, then definitely we'll achieve that level of success that we desire. Okay, philosophical ज्ञान बाद में. But if you're looking for growth on Instagram, make sure you put out content in regular intervals and tell people that yes, you are there, you are alive. Because there is so much content, millions and millions of people are posting so many stories, posts and videos and everything. And the retention span is very less now. So yes, you keep on reminding to the people as well as the Instagram algorithm that yes, you are there, you are not gayab. And if you have a business or creative profile, you should definitely check out the insights also, because that actually tells you that what time people are most active and that's the time when you should be posting. Make the best use of it. Ninth point is make use of all the Instagram features available. Instagram Live, Instagram Stories, GIFs, location tabs, tags, hashtags, stories, posts, IGTV, videos, everything. Just everything. You never know what clicks when. Last point is just get off Instagram. Okay. Now you must be thinking, Hina ko kya ho gaya, aisa kyun bol rahi hai? By saying this, I meant that you should go on other social media platforms and tell people that you are there on Instagram and posting very interesting stuff out there. It is also called cross promotion of your own channels. Some Facebook groups are also there which you can join and promote your Instagram posts, stories and your channel as a whole. Use Snapchat, swipe up, use WhatsApp. Okay, by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, then you should just go and please follow me there, because I usually post travel content, but since it's lockdown, so I am posting rest, everything but not travel. Also, I'm taking regular workshops now, which includes how to talk to camera, blogging, how to start your YouTube channel, how to do Instagramming, like how to grow your channel from scratch, and certain topics like that, which you can again check the link in the description below and join any of my workshop if you feel like. Wow, that was a long video. Okay, so while recording this video, I realized that there is a lot to tell. If I start talking about everything, I might end up recording for good 24 hours, which I cannot do that, and तुम लोग मुझे इतने टाइम तक बर्दाश्त भी नहीं कर सकते हो. Okay, so the point is that there is a lot to tell, which can help you to improve on Instagram. So I'm thinking, why not just make it a series? So this is episode 1, and trust me, I decided just now while recording it. So yeah, wait for episode 2 now. I will be posting that very soon with certain more insights that will help you grow on your Instagram. If you like the video, like, comment and subscribe अगर अभी तक नहीं किया हुआ तो, and tell me that what would you like to see next. Obviously Instagram की series तो आ ही रही है, but इसके अलावा और तुम क्या देखना चाहते हो? By the way, tomato face recipe works wonders on my skin. Do you see that? Okay, anyway, people are really liking it. So many people are making it and sharing their feedback. You can check out the video here somewhere. Oh, talking about Instagram stories, आजकल मैं TikTok पे tutorials बना के डाल रही हूँ, like how you can actually make very interesting Instagram stories. So you got to check that out. And in case you would like to join any of my workshop, below in the description you will find my email and the links to join the workshop. So definitely let me know. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching again. Bye.